How to use Zendesk for customer service 2023. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another great and easy tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be discussing about Zendesk. Now Zendesk is a great platform for your customer service, and you can use it to basically create customer services for you and optimize customer services. Basically, if you're running, let's say, an online business or an e-commerce store and you want a proper customer service for it, because obviously when it comes to a professional business, you're going to need customer service, because without it, how are you going to approach your clients who have an issue with a product maybe, or maybe if they want some question from you, something like that. So obviously customer service is very important. So we're going to be discussing that, and we're going to be discussing how you can use Zendesk to set it up and use it properly. So without further ado, just watch this video till the end and listen to all the instructions I have to provide you with. And if you do that properly, you're going to know by the end of this video how to properly use Zendesk. So let's get right into it. So we're going to write Zendesk, and here we are. Zendesk, customer service software and sales CRM. So we can see Zendesk is an award-winning customer service software trusted by 200,000 plus customers. Make customers happy via text, mobile, phone, email, live chat, or even social media. Totally depends on you. We can see what is Zendesk software used for. Zendesk is a complete customer service solution that's easy to use and scales with your business. And yeah, that's basically about it. So let's just get into the website and see all the details and information. We can see that it's the champion of customer service. Zendesk makes customer service better. We build software to meet customer needs, set your team up for success, and keep your business in sync. You can also take a quick tour by going into the Zendesk tour guide, but I'm just going to skip for that right now, where good conversations become great experiences. To make customers happy, you need to conversational experiences, connected communications across any channel. Now, you could have good experience for service, give customers the best support. Customers want to connect anytime, any place, meet them where they are with the Zendesk suite, which provides sophisticated, seamless support that flows across channels. Obviously, we can see in Squarespace, we're here to help our customers succeed online, and that's something we hear from our customers. They just love our support channels. So their support channel, Squarespace's support channel, is obviously Zendesk. You can also customize your customer experience. The best customer experiences are built with Zendesk, and obviously we can see MailChimp, Siemens, Uber, Khan Academy, Tesco, Stanley Black & Decker. All these use Zendesk as their customer experience. So first of all, let's go into their products, and we can see that first of all, there's Zendesk for service, Zendesk for sales, Sunshine platform, and marketplace. Now, marketplace is obviously for your integrations and partnerships. Sunshine is just fast, open, and flexible workings with Zendesk. Zendesk for services are the complete service solution, and Zendesk for sales is the modern sales solution. Before going into the main things, let's go into the pricings. Now, of course, there's the Zendesk for service and then Zendesk for sales. Now, if you want customer services for your sales, you can go on this, but if you want customer services for your service, you can go on this. So I'm going to be going on this right now, and here we can see everything you need for best-in-class service. There are three basic plans: the Suite Team, the Suite Growth, and the Suite Professional. There's the $49, the $79, and $99. Now, the $49 one has a lot of great features, and obviously the $79 one has better features, and respectively, the $99 one has the maximum features you can get on Zendesk. And yeah, that's basically it for the features and everything. For now, let's get into our free trial process. So we're going to come up here, and here you're going to put in your email. You're going to put in your name. So just make sure, put in the correct information. You can put in your phone number if you want to. I'm just going to put mine right in. You can put in a company name. It can be anything random. I'm just going to put in that. You can put in your number of employees. What are you solving for? Manage customer services requests. So you can go with that or whatever you want. You can choose your language. And then finally, create a strong password for yourself. So once you do that, you're just going to go on complete trial sign up. And once you complete your trial sign up, it's just going to load you up. So we're just going to wait for it to load us up real quick. Now, once you're obviously fully properly signed up, do remember that setting up your account will take a few moments, but obviously once you're fully done signing up, this is what your Zendesk main dashboard is going to look like. So this you see right here on the left is going to be your main ribbon or dashboard. And obviously in your main ribbon dashboard, these are the things you're going to see. The self-support portal, where your customers can find answers to the most common questions and easy to fix problems. There's the knowledge base, where all the information you've collected over your company and products is neatly organized into easy to read articles, FAQs, and other useful contents. Live chat, where a pop-up chat box that appears on your website in case your customers want to ask you a question or need help. Ticketing system, which organizes and manages all the customer requests from one place. And then finally, social messaging to reach out to your customers on their favorite social media platforms. And obviously then there's different time tracking apps, how you can set up time tracking apps. This is how you can add different agents, give them statuses, and give them different times. Obviously you can make different charts there where there's time per agent. And over here, as you can see, you can make different subjects, you can make different channels of them, give different ticket forms, give different requesters, and you can set requested dates. You can assign it to some specific person, and you can also check out the views that come with your Zendesk and much more. And obviously the verdict of all of that is then there's live chat. We're gonna go ahead into live chat, where we can see the live chat features embeds a chat box onto your website that invites your leads to reach out if they need any assistance. Then obviously there's social messaging, where Zendex's live chat is great, but you can use it when potential leads come to your site. This allows your agents to get new message notifications instantly on their Zendesk account, creates an auto response when a customer reaches out, prompts your customers to send you a message on WhatsApp or Messenger or whatever social media platform. Then there's the self-support portal, where you can help your customers and they can help themselves. There's the customer relationship management, where obviously Zendesk becomes more than a customer support system. Then there's the analytics section, where you can improve the customer experience. And there's the IT help desk, where you can help them with the IT support or much more. So yeah, those are all the basic features and how you can use Zendesk. So if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know down in the comments below. And if you have any issues, queries related to this video, please let me know that as well. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. Yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.